The Holden Commodore is an executive car that was produced by Holden between June 2013 and October 2017. It was the second and last significantly restyled iteration of the fourth and final generation of the Holden Commodore to be manufactured in Australia. Its range included the sedan and station wagon variants that sold under the luxury Holden Commodore nameplate. Also available was the commercial utility variant that sold under the Holden UTE nameplate. From 2013 to 2017, an improved version of the Commodore SSV sedan was exported to the United States badged as the Chevrolet SS, an evolution of the badging practice used on the previous generation Commodore that was sold in North America as the Pontiac G8 from 2008 to 2009, prior to the Pontiac brand being discontinued. Holden Special Vehicles HSV used the VF series as the basis of its performance Gen F sedan, wagon, and utility models, which were also exported to the United Kingdom, rebadged as the Vauxhall VXR8 range. In December 2013, GM announced that it would discontinue all Australian production in 2017.